Welcome to Beautyistic, the place where we break down the latest in beauty so you don't have to guess. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a highlighter that promises to give you that perfect glow. The KIKO Milano Glow Fusion Powder Highlighter. This powder highlighter claims to deliver a radiant, buildable glow and comes in the stunning shade 01 Brilliant Champagne. Let's see if it really lives up to its name. The KIKO Milano Glow Fusion Powder Highlighter is a finely milled powder designed to give your skin an iridescent finish. The formula is buildable, which means you can customize your glow, from a subtle shimmer to an intense, blinding highlight. It's a versatile product that can be used on the high points of the face or even the body, depending on how dramatic you want your glow to be. What sets this product apart from many highlighters is the texture. The powder is incredibly smooth, almost creamy to the touch, which makes it easy to blend and build up. The iridescent finish is not glittery, but more of a refined glowing sheen, which is ideal for those who prefer a natural-looking radiance. The shade Brilliant Champagne has just the right balance of warm and cool undertones, making it universally flattering for various skin tones. Though I personally think it's particularly beautiful on medium to light skin. When I tested it, I used it both as a cheekbone highlight and on the inner corners of my eyes, and I was really impressed by its performance. The product went on smoothly, and I loved how it gave my skin that lit from within glow without looking too metallic. You can easily build it up for a more intense effect, but at lower layers, it offers a natural, healthy radiance that feels perfect for everyday wear. One thing to note is that while the powder blends beautifully, it does require a light hand if you want to avoid an overly shiny look. The buildable nature of the formula is great, but too much can lead to a shine overload, especially if you're layering it. It also has a slight fragrance, which is something to consider if you're sensitive to scented products. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The main pros here are the smooth, blendable texture, the stunning, iridescent finish, and the fact that it's buildable. This highlighter can easily go from a soft glow to a blinding shine, making it incredibly versatile. The cons, however, are that it can get a bit too shiny if over-applied, and the fragrance may not be for everyone. In terms of value for money, this highlighter is definitely on the affordable side compared to some high-end options. Given the quality of the formula and the beautiful finish, I think it's a solid investment for anyone looking to add a new highlighter to their collection without breaking the bank. The price is justified by its performance, and you get a decent amount of product for the cost. When comparing it to other highlighters in the market, it holds up quite well. There are certainly higher-end options that give a similar glow, but the KIKO Milano Glow Fusion Powder Highlighter offers great performance for a fraction of the price. If you're someone who likes to experiment with different highlighter looks, but doesn't want to spend a fortune, this is a fantastic option. The build quality of the product is solid. The packaging is sleek and it feels sturdy in hand. There's no issue with longevity. The product stays in place for hours without fading, which is always a win in my book. It also doesn't emphasize texture on the skin, which is something I really appreciate when it comes to powder highlighters. It won't settle into pores or fine lines, making it ideal for all skin types, even those with more textured skin. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something similar but at a slightly lower price point, the Makeup Revolution Highlighter Reloaded comes to mind. It gives a similar radiant finish and is also quite affordable. However, if you're willing to invest a bit more, you might want to try the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, which has a similar glow but with a more buttery texture. All things considered, the KIKO Milano Glow Fusion Powder Highlighter is a winner in my book. It offers great value for money, has a beautiful iridescent finish, and works well for a wide range of skin tones. If you're on the hunt for a highlighter that's easy to use, buildable, and not too overpowering, this might be the one for you. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. Your support helps us bring more honest beauty reviews to you. Thanks for watching. If you've tried the KIKO Milano Glow Fusion Powder Highlighter, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.